Ramps. Today's video I'm going to discuss about what are the tools and equipments that are needed for repairing your air conditioning unit. So I am Engineer Dominic Ramonida, co-owner of Eladio Ramonida Technical Services and Assistant Managing Director, a registered electrical engineer, and a proud Carolinian. So let's start. Credit to our master, Engineer Rafael D. Seba from University of San Carlos EE and ECE Department, and Engineer William for my mentor. So we're going to start to our measuring tape. So we have various measuring tape from small to large, and then we got screwdrivers and this test light. Test light is used for the to current on that certain point in our circuit. But by the way, in our through this course, you will learn all about mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, engineering and technical works, and some tips for you to apply in your day-to-day living, or else better be have your income in that skills. Okay, so next one is this. We have certain long nose and then pliers, all open ranges from small down to a big. For this one, we are using this one for plumbing works in the future. So here is the master of all, is AC clamp meter. So it has function of finding the AC voltage, direct voltage, and also ohmmeter and continuity. Then splicer, used to splice wires, and then cutting knives, jigsaw, and then for this part, in cleaning our air conditioning unit, we're gonna need the high pressure washer, sprayer, and this AC Albright. So this chemical is used to disinfect all our dirt coils, and through this sprayer you can apply it uniformly over it and wash it through pressure washer. Okay, so for this one, we bought this one for like 300 dirhams, and then our clamp meter, we bought it for like 250 dirhams, and this one AC Bright, you could have it for like 25 dirhams. And then for this set of tools, these are flaring tools. This goes for 3/4 to 5/8 for the big sizes of coppers, and we have 7/16 to 3/8. Also have 1/8 for our copper pipe. So in dealing in air conditioning unit, you need first to vacuum pump the copper pipe, so that you could eliminate all the air inside the compressor and its copper pipe, so that when you will use this next equipment, which is the manifold, high and low pressure manifold, you could give our compressor an instant or efficient volume of freon gas. So we have also a freon gas, which is R22. This is made from India. You could have it for like 170 dirhams, and this 410A. Some of the AC unit, they need particularly 410A, and they need particularly in R22. So be aware of that, and that is a helpful tip. So And this vacuum pump, we bought it for like 3,000 dirhams because this is made in Italy. So we've been using this for like 10 years. Yeah, so it's very hard top vacuum pump. So here in this section we have this map gas for used for soldering copper tubes. And if you want to have it in a more efficient and much faster, you could have acetylene and combination with oxygen gas. Okay, so for this boring a hole for our drain pipes or drain or a copper, you know, copper installation or copper pipes, you could use this cord drill, and with the help also of our automatic battery drill. So here we have also our toolbox. So in our toolbox we got a set of screws, Teflon tape, electrical tape, and all some useful things to our throughout in our course. So overall, our estimated cost for this one, just to start in doing business in AC repairing services, is it would range up without including this one, because you could have it at least 500 dirhams for a lesser you know, different model. The range of this one is 500 to 3,000 or 4,000 dirhams. So without excluding this one, it would range all of it to 3,500 dirhams. So that's it, folks. Thank you very much, and please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.